This is how you make a quick and easy Shoyu Ramen Broth. To your ramen bowl, add about half a teaspoon of garlic paste. Next, add a teaspoon of Chinese chicken broth powder, followed by 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, aka shoyu. After that, add a few shakes of Ajinomoto, aka MSG. Next, add 300 ml of boiling hot water. Give it a good mix and finish it off with a drizzle of sesame oil. And that, my friends, is your shoyu broth complete. Now it's time to add your ramen noodles and the toppings of your choice. And for my toppings, today I'm going to add some shredded leek, followed by a couple of slices of pork belly, and of course you can't leave out the quintessential ramen egg. And finally, to balance it all out, a nice big sheet of nori seaweed. There you have it, in no time at all, a nice bowl of shoyu ramen. And because this video is all about the broth, what does it taste like? Delissimo.